Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix dimming screen on iPhone and disable auto brightness. On your iPhone, you have to open Settings application. Then in Settings, scroll down to Accessibility. In Accessibility, select Display in Text Size in the Vision category. Now, scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and here you'll be able to disable auto brightness by switching this toggle to the left. Besides, you can also disable the related features to auto brightness. To do that, you're gonna have to swipe down the control center on your iPhone, hold your finger down on the brightness slider, and here you will see such features as dark mode and true tone, and you can disable them if they also cause some screen dimming on your device. Besides, you can also disable power saving mode if it's enabled. To do that, go to battery menu in Settings, and in battery menu you're gonna have to select power mode and disable low power mode here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.